The strategy pattern allows defining a family of algorithms, encapsulating each one, and making them interchangeable. This enables clients to dynamically choose and use different algorithms without impacting their code. The pattern achieves this by separating algorithms, strategies, from the client through a common interface for all algorithms. Our use case will be when the application user uses the coupon. In addition to the basic validation, we will also implement validation for the partner. Let's start by implementing basic validation. Now we will implement the strategy that a given partner must meet. Additionally, we have created an enum that will allow us to distinguish partners. It's time to implement validation of our partners. To aggregate our implementations, we will use Spring's multiple dependency injection. Finally, it is necessary to find an appropriate implementation and perform validation.